Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to get an Alpha Season 3 pass in the new Sandbox. The Sandbox is an open-world video game on PC, Mac and mobile devices that will let players free explore a map consisting of thousands of unique experiences. It looks a bit like Microsoft's smash hit Minecraft, featuring blocky characters and worlds that resemble retro game pixels brought into 3D, but the Sandbox will have a persistent and shared online map. This Alpha Pass allows explorers of the Metaverse of play and earn during the Alpha. This NFT must be held in the user wallets at the end of the season to claim the rewards. Alpha is only compatible with the Windows operating system. Also with it you can get about 500 Sand tokens or NFT, which consists nearly 1 Ethereum. Get Sand tokens and each 13 will get an NFT for free. So let me show you how to get Alpha Pass for Season 3. First, we need to connect MetaMask or any other wallets to this website, a link to which you can find in the description of the video. Great, the wallet is connected. So let's get it now. Click on Play or Connect Wallet. Now you need to accept contract for possible gas payment, which allows you get NFT or tokens. While you wait for your pass, you can complete the survey, which you can find on the site. Usually participants get their pass and tokens or NFTs in the next 10 minutes, so don't worry if you didn't get it immediately. Everyone can participate in this airdrop once, but you need to have at least 1 Ethereum on your wallet to prevent multi-account. If you want to get your Alpha Pass, do it on this website. Don't miss your chance to get Sandbox NFT. Subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you soon!